Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All glories to Bhagavan Shri Krishna, Radha Madhava, and all glories to Srila Prabhupada, Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada, by whose mercy we are able to understand the divine words of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, guys. So in this video we'll read verse number 9, 10 and 11 of chapter 1. So let's start. Verse number 9. Anye cha bahava sura madarthe tyakta jivitaha nana shastra praharana sarva yuddha visaradaha. Anye, others, cha also, bahava, in great number, sura, heroes, matarthe, for my sake, tyakta jivitaha, prepared to risk life, nana, many, shastra, weapons, praharana, equipped with, sarve, all of them, yudha, visharadaha, experienced in military science. There are many other heroes who are prepared to lay down their lives for my sake. For my sake, this is Duryodhana speaking. All of them are well equipped with different kinds of weapons and all are experienced in military science. Purport given by His Grace. As far as the others are concerned, like Jayadratha, Kritavarma and Shalya, all are determined to lay down their lives for Duryodhana's sake. In other words, it is already concluded that all of them would die in the battle of Kurukshetra for joining the party of the sinful Duryodhana. Duryodhana was of course confident of his victory on account of the above mentioned combined strength of his friends. We'll move on to verse number 10. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishma bhirakshitam paryaptam tva idam etesham balam bhima bhirakshitam. Aparyaptam, immeasurable, that, asmakam, of ours, balam, strength, bhishma, by grandfather Bhishma, abhirakshitam, perfectly protected, paryaptam, limited to, but, idam, all this. Etesham, of the Pandavas, balam, strength, bhima, by Bhima, abhirakshitam, carefully protected. Our strength is immeasurable. This is Duryodhana speaking. Our measure is immeasurable and we are perfectly protected by grandfather Bhishma, whereas the strength of Pandavas, carefully protected by Bhima, is limited. Purport given by His Grace. Herein, an estimation of comparative strength is made by Duryodhana. He thinks that the strength of his armed forces is immeasurable, being specifically protected by the most experienced general grandfather Bhishma. On the other hand, the forces of the Pandavas are limited, being protected by a less experienced general Bhima, who is like a fig in the presence of Bhishma. Duryodhana was always envious of Bhima because he knew perfectly well that if he should die at all, he would only be killed by Bhima. But at the same time, he was confident of his victory on account of the presence of Bhishma, who was a far superior general. His conclusion that he would come out of the battle victorious was well ascertained. Verse number 11. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yatha bhagam avasthitaha bhishmam eva bhirakshantu bhavantaha sarva eva hi. Ayaneshu, in the strategic points, cha also, sarveshu, everywhere, yatha bhagam, as differently arranged, avasthitaha, situated, bhishmam, onto grandfather Bhishma, eva, certainly, abhi rakshantu, should give support, bhavantaha, you, sarve, all respectively, eva hi, certainly. He says, Duryodhana says, all of you must now give full support to grandfather Bhishma as you stand at your respective strategic points of entrance into the phalanx of the army. Right? Into the phalanx of the army. Purport given by His Grace. Duryodhana, after praising the prowess of Bhishma, Duryodhana, after praising the prowess of Bhishma, further considered that others might think that they had been considered less important. So in his usual diplomatic way, so we are getting to know this diplomatic nature of Duryodhana. So in his usual diplomatic way, he tried to adjust the situation in the above words. He emphasized that Bhishma Deva was undoubtedly the greatest hero, but he was an old man, so everyone must especially think of his protection from all sides. He might become engaged in the fight, and the enemy might take advantage of his full engagement on one side. Therefore, it was important that other heroes not leave their strategic positions and allow the enemy to break the phalanx. Duryodhana clearly felt that the victory of the Kurus depended on the presence of Bhishma Deva. He was confident of the full support of Bhishma Deva and Dronacharya in the battle because he well knew that they did not even speak a word when Arjuna's wife, Draupadi, in her helpless condition, had appealed to them for justice while she was being forced to appear naked in the presence of all the great generals in the assembly. Although he knew that the two generals had some sort of affection for the Pandavas, he hoped that these generals would now completely give it up as they had done during the gambling performances. Right? So we get to know this diplomatic nature of Duryodhana, this evil mind of Duryodhana, right? How he is taking advantage of such pious and great generals, right? So guys, in the next video we'll continue from verse number 12. Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.